this video, we cover the following topics. Sgraffito, pronounced Sgraffito, is an Italian term derived from the word graffiere, that describes the technique of scraping, scratching, or scoring the dry surface of the paper. Sgraffito is an art technique used across various mediums, including painting, ceramics, and glass. The term itself comes from the Italian word sgraffiere, meaning to scratch, which aptly describes the essence of the technique. When painted, pigment tends to be darker where the sgraffito was performed. Sgraffito can also be done wet but has a different effect. While the top layer is still wet or not fully set, the artist then scratches away parts of it to reveal the underlying layer. This creates a striking visual contrast and allows for intricate designs, patterns, or textures. In painting, sgraffito can be used to add depth and texture, create detailed lines, or reveal hidden colors beneath a surface layer. Unlock the secrets of watercolor with comprehensive watercolor and interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. This one-of-a-kind guide combines detailed explanations, step-by-step instructions, and over 200 embedded videos to help you master techniques and build confidence in your watercolor journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide has everything you need to grow as an artist. If you're ready to take your watercolor skills to the next level, you can find links to purchase comprehensive watercolor in the description below. Take the guesswork out of choosing watercolor supplies. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide is your free resource for making confident choices. The guide includes paint sets, paintbrushes, palettes, and cool tools. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.